Alright, my baby is done. This is the 2019 Ford F250, which I did a quad retrofit and installation on this thing. We have the Morimoto Mini V2S projector assemblies up in the upper section, and the Morimoto HB LEDs in the lower section. Both are utilizing the turbine shrouds, which are backlit with the switchback profile halos. And they are painted to match the OEM body color, which is a nice tri-stage paint, base coat, mid coat, clear coat. The rest of the interior of the housing was also blacked out, so the reflector bowls of the upper, middle, and lower section, as well as the clears smoked lens replacements done on that bad boy. Ultimately, this thing really pulls together the front end of this vehicle and looks absolutely fantastic. I love it. Now the only thing that I want to do left on this is paint the chrome red, because there's no other chrome on the rest of this vehicle, but you know what? That's a discussion to be had at a later time. The performance on these things is absolutely spectacular. The typical MD2S projector assembly is what you'd expect. Super wide, super bright. I'm running the 50-watt setup on it. When utilizing the HB LED as a supplementary high beam LED projector, it really does add an additional amount of throw, allows you to see really, really far. They are nut and bolt mounted, so serviceable using one of my little top secret patented techniques. Okay, so we've got the parking lights on now, and as you can see, the shrouds light up and they look super fantastic. Also upgraded to a profile switchback LED bulb in the turn signal location there. These are also upgraded, and while we're at it, all of the tail light bulbs, the reverse lights, and the license plates, everything has been upgraded to LED on this vehicle. So this is all modern day lighting on this thing. All right, let me go ahead and turn on the hazard so you can see what the turn signal function would look like. And there we go. Now the turn signal is on. Actually, it's the hazards that are on, but this is exactly what you would expect from a turn signal. Obviously, one side would be lit up white, one side would be blinking. As you can see, super sweet. You got turn signal here, here, and here. And these are also worth mentioning. The Morimoto XB LED for the fog lights. Continuing a nice little blacked out theme on the front end of this vehicle. Looks really, really nice and clean. All right, I just turned on the headlights for whatever that's worth in the middle of the day like this, but you can see that they are bright. Whoa, check that out. When the headlights are on, your running lights are all going to be on as well, so that fills up real nicely. Overall, I'm really, really, really super pleased with the performance of this bad boy. That is why I actually took it out of the shop to record this video, because you just can't get the full appreciation without the sunlight. Honestly, this is one of my best paint jobs I've ever done. These shrouds came out flawless. Product and pricing information regarding the headlight build itself will be in a separate video, the actual headlight build video. This is just showcasing the install. I love doing the installations because then I get to guarantee the results from start to finish and performance, and then offer extended warranties on everything as well. So obviously, if you live in the Florida area or even outside of Florida, it doesn't really matter. Come on by and I'll see what I can do for you. Again, thanks for watching. This is 13 with Superior Mobile by 13. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.